Welcome to Beautyistic, where we explore the best in beauty, one product at a time. Let's talk about something that might be your next holy grail, especially if you love creating bold, long-lasting eye looks. Today, we're diving into the Clarins Waterproof Eye Pencil, a product that promises both stunning pigment and all-day wear. With a retractable tip, built-in sharpener, and smudger, this pencil has all the features we look for in an eye product that can take us from day to night. This eye pencil comes in the shade Chestnut, a warm, rich brown that's perfect for creating smoky eye looks or just adding definition to the lash line. The gel formula glides on effortlessly, delivering a smooth, highly pigmented line with a shimmery finish. It's designed to be waterproof, meaning you can expect it to hold up through sweat, humidity, or even a few tears during a movie. Now, let's talk real-world experience. Incorporating this pencil into my routine was a breeze. I was able to use it as both a liner and a base for a smoky eye, which is what really caught my attention. It smudges beautifully, thanks to the built-in smudger on the opposite end of the pencil, allowing me to achieve that effortlessly smoky look. I found it easy to build intensity, which is a great feature if you like to layer your makeup or play with different looks. And the retractable design is so convenient, no more sharpening mess. On the downside, I did notice that if you apply too much at once, it can feel a little heavy on the lid. But a quick swipe with the smudger helps balance that out, so I wouldn't consider it a deal breaker. Another thing to keep in mind is that the pencil is on the smaller side, so it's easy to go through it quickly if you use it often. Let's break it down. Pros: excellent pigmentation that stays true throughout the day. Waterproof formula, no smudging or fading. Built-in sharpener and smudger, perfect for creating versatile looks. Gel consistency makes application smooth and easy. Cons: the pencil size might make it run out faster with frequent use. A bit too heavy if applied in thick layers, but it's easy to correct. As for value, this pencil is certainly priced on the higher end, which is often the case with quality, long-wearing products. If you're someone who wears makeup regularly and values performance, the price might be justified by its lasting power and quality. But if you're looking for a more budget-friendly alternative, you might want to consider options like the NYX Professional Makeup Slide-On Pencil, which offers a similar formula at a fraction of the cost. In terms of build quality, the pencil feels sleek and sturdy. I appreciate the thoughtful design with the retractable tip, which keeps the product safe and hygienic. The sharpener and smudger are nice added bonuses, but I do wish the pencil itself was a bit larger for the price point. The longevity of the product, however, is undeniable. It holds up incredibly well throughout the day, especially if you're prone to oily eyelids. Customer service? I've had positive experiences with Clarins in the past. Responsive, professional, and generally attentive to customer needs, though I haven't needed to contact them about this specific product. That said, Clarins' reputation for quality customer care precedes them. For alternatives, there are several out there that can offer similar performance. Urban Decay's 24/7 Glide-On Eye Pencil is a solid pick if you're willing to splurge, or if you're looking for something more affordable, the Maybelline Tattoo Studio Waterproof Gel Pencil is an excellent budget alternative that doesn't compromise on waterproof wear. To wrap it up, the Clarins Waterproof Eye Pencil is a fantastic option if you're after a smudge-proof, long-wearing eye pencil that delivers on both performance and design. Its waterproof properties and gel texture make it perfect for creating smoky eyes or bold liner, and with the retractable tip and smudger, it offers flexibility for different looks. However, its smaller size and price point might make it less appealing if you're on a budget, or if you need a pencil that lasts a bit longer. If this review was helpful to you, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss out on our honest, in-depth beauty reviews. And if you've used this pencil or have any favorites of your own, leave a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.